What really makes this kollel unique is not only the very, very high level learning, but the fact that the Avrechim there are very much involved and they teach all over the community, whether it's Chavrutas with us in the morning or late in the evening, or doing father and son learning programs or giving shiur in different places. It's really integrated into the community and it's really done wonders for Boston.
A kollel is the nucleus for the growth of Yiddishkeit.
The women teach in the schools, in the high school in the Beis Yaakov. The men, they teach in all different parts of the community. They give shiurim. They give classes in Newton. They go to different law offices, different businesses, and they give classes.
Well, Rabbi Beer comes to downtown every Friday and we have a class, and I think it's really phenomenal to get everyone thinking about life.
We have a satellite program which just launched this year. Tuesday night is a Beis Midrash night in Newton. So a bunch of the kollel Younger Light come to Newton. We set up a Beis Midrash there.
We've really expanded. We have Beis Midrash programs with other shuls, Young Israel of Brookline, Bethel of Newton, different communities, and many people learning with kollel rabbis. The kollel has now 4 father-son programs. Father and son learning, Sunday morning, Motzei Shabbos, Brookline, Brighton, Newton. We have now 2 mother and daughter learning programs. We have in Newton and in Brookline. Over 300 people attend these programs.
This kollel, when they started, the first thing they did was reach out to the universities, having classes at Brandeis, going downtown Boston, and they're still spreading out.
Of college students coming in, they heard something on campus, Judaism, wow, Torah learning. They walk in our doors, they get approached by the kollel rabbis. First thing, what's your name? Where are you from? How about a Friday night dinner, Shabbos lunch? They come over, they're with our children, they're with our family. Within weeks, they become part of our family, they change.
After high school, I was looking for colleges and I just chose Boston. Right after they heard about me, every one of them, 15 phone calls, everyone just inviting me over for Shabbos and talking. And it was a blessing. They dressed differently and they acted differently, but yet, I felt like I was at home. Just had a conversation today with my mom, and we've been talking about this. And it's because of the kollel, 100% because of the kollel. I am planning on going to yeshiva next year.
ליבנו בסוירו סוי, בסוירו סוי, בסוירו סוי. יפתח ליבנו בסוירו סוי, ליבנו בסוירו סוי. ויוסי בליבנו, אהבה סי ויירו סוי. ליבנו, ליבנו, ליבנו בסוירו סוי. ויוסי בליבנו, אהבה סי ויירו סוי. ליבנו בסוירו סוי.
They build relationships, I guess. That's really a big thing that I see. People who feel very, very connected to the kollel.
They're warm people. They're people you feel very comfortable with. If you go into the kollel, you just feel very, very much at ease with learning with these people.
People recognize us as a genuine place. We were not out to tell other people what to do. It came a place where many people from all different sections came and studied. And that itself, the fact they came together and they were unified through Torah learning, brought more people in. And that unified the community that much more, and became a center for the community.
The kollel, under the direction of Rabbi Beer and Rabbi Leff, has touched the lives of hundreds, actually thousands, over the year. And continuously, each week, we have hundreds of people attending our programs and learning, infusing people with the life they so badly want to live, and giving them their dreams that they don't even realize that they want.
The kollel has always been there for us, especially now with the new building. It's great to have a more centralized location where everybody can meet, and it's just a great environment and great experience to be there.
I have a chavruta, one of the Avrechim over there. We learn together twice a week. We're learning Masechet Sotah, and we learn sometime between 6 and 7 a.m.
I look forward to it every week. The more I go, the more I want to learn. I've had the great joy and honor to learn with many of the Rebbeim there. Rabbi Beer has been very near and dear to my heart for all of these years. I get to see him at least once a week. It's one of the highlights of my week.
It doesn't matter which level you're on. You know, once you begin, you're going to only want to learn more, and it's something that makes you feel good.
A person comes to Beis Medrash, to the kollel, and they sit down to accomplish lawyers, doctors from different backgrounds, accomplished, and they could be a CEO of a company, but an opening Talmud across the table of a young rabbi might be double his age difference. It doesn't make a difference because Jews are all one.
And the kollel, because of its attitude to the community today, the community is much more unified. You walk into a kollel banquet and you see people from all areas of the community, all affiliations.
So everybody can celebrate, you know, different holidays, and everybody can just do things that are told to them growing up. But it's much more meaningful when you know why you're doing these things, and that's one of the things you learn in the kollel. You know, before I used to put on tefillin, I didn't know why I was putting on tefillin, and now you know why. And once you know why, it makes you want to do it even more.
I moved to Boston 6.5 years ago. I didn't even know what the word kollel meant.
This is what the kollel has done for me. I have found the most beautiful women in this community that I've never encountered anywhere else. Giving, kind, you know, willing to give their time. Just, you know, I said, who would not want to be part of this community? It's like the most beautiful thing that I've ever found in my life. I suddenly started understanding there is wisdom here such that I've never understood.
Pre-kollel, we were a struggling community seeking something that the kollel finally brought us. It brought us an influx of young people who brought their families.
The kollel has had a tremendous impact on our community, come in and really solidified our community and helped it to grow in a way that just wasn't possible before we had the kollel.
Rabbi Leff and Rabbi Beer pick tremendous people, and everybody that sits and learns there, especially the guys that do it full-time, are really tremendous people. And the building and the community coalesces around them.
Each and every individual there is an extraordinary leader themselves, meaning each of those guys can go out into the community, you know, capture a whole audience and make things happen themselves. And so I think that's a very, very powerful thing.